Reducing wine might sound like a complicated gourmet chef move, but really, it's a simple technique that will totally enhance the flavor of many great dishes. This process allows the wine's flavors to intensify. As with any other wine and food pairing, you want to make sure that the wine you are reducing complements the food you are cooking. And if cooking with wine makes you extra thirsty, feel free to pour a glass or two of the remainder to enjoy with your meal. We can't let anything go to waste, after all. So are you ready? Let's do this. All you need is 1 cup of red or white wine. Choose a wine that complements the dish you're preparing. 1 tablespoon of butter, which is optional for added richness and flavor, and salt and pepper to taste. You also need a saucepan, a whisk or wooden spoon, a measuring cup, and a strainer. Remember to select a red or white wine that pairs well with the dish you're preparing. For red meat, use a red wine like Cabernet Sauvignon or Merlot. For poultry or fish, use a white wine like Chardonnay or Sauvignon Blanc. Then, measure 1 cup of wine and pour it into a saucepan. Use a saucepan large enough to allow for evaporation and reduce the liquid. Place the saucepan with the wine on the stovetop over medium heat and allow the wine to come to a gentle simmer. Do not let it boil vigorously. Once the wine reaches a simmer, reduce the heat to low. You want to maintain a gentle simmer throughout the reduction process. Let the wine simmer and reduce for about 15-20 minutes or until it has reduced by about half. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. If desired, add 1 tablespoon of butter to the reduced wine. This step adds richness and a silky texture to the sauce. Stir the butter into the sauce until it melts completely. If you prefer a smoother sauce, you can strain it to remove any sediment or solids. Place a strainer over a bowl or directly over the serving dish and carefully pour the reduced sauce through the strainer. Then, taste the wine reduction and add salt and pepper if desired. Adjust the seasoning according to your preference and the flavors of your dish. The wine reduction is now ready to be served. Pour it over grilled meats, roasted vegetables, or other dishes that can benefit from a flavorful sauce. That's it. Try it and let me know your thoughts. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Bye, see you next time.